How do you say he looked at the table? Aramord. On the table. Okay. How would you say he looked at the word for kid is pashta. How would you say he looked at the kid? Arambashja. Arambashja. Okay. How would you say he looked at me? Oram. Oram is on me. Oram. Deachshe oram. Okay. How about he looked at you? Deachshe ort. Okay. How about she looked at you? Deachshe ort. Yeah, on you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's read this sentence then. So, Has she salaba. Agus deach she an glog. A V mord. In Akanalapa. Okay. All right. So let's go to River Tree. Vina lava ig tarint van lay. So the hands were approaching noon. First of all, the word for noon is mon lay, means middle of day, mon lay. And if you want midnight, it's manicha. Okay. Middle of night. Huh?
How do you pronounce mon?
Mon lay. Mon lay. Okay, the lav is the hand, nalava are the hands. So being lava, the hands were. Taring. Taring normally means to pull. Okay, but in Irish, one thing when you want to say the time is approaching something, you say it is pulling on that time. So vina lava ig tarint van lay. So the hands were pulling on middle of day, or time was approaching noon, or the hands were approaching noon. Okay. So you can kind of get the idea of something approaching by pulling on it, right? Okay. So vina lava, the hands were ig tarint, pulling. If you recall from the bingo with the verbs, we had ig tarint, the dog and the hand pulling on the rope. Ig tarint van lay on noon. Okay. So vina lava ig tarint van lay.
Vina lava ig tarint van lay.
It's lava?
Lava.
Lava.
Lava. Okay. All right. Ibra Kahar. Ligshik nad ela as agus haring she na hedi lapa harachan. So he groaned again. Ligshik nad ela as. So if the way you say in Irish he groaned is he let a groan out of him, the way you say he groaned again is you say he let another groan out of him. Okay? So it's a different way of saying it in English. Agus haring she, and he pulled. So here's the word taring being used to mean pull. He pulled. Nahedi lapa, the bedclothes. Okay? 80 are clothes, so the clothes you wear are 80. Nahedi lapa are the clothes of bed, the bedclothes. Okay? Har achyan, the word har means over. So har achyan, over his head. How would you say over my head? Armachyan. Okay. So I could say haring me nahedi lapa harmachyan. I pulled the bedclothes over my head. Okay. How about over her head? So over her head? Harakyan. Harakyan. No H, right? Harakyan. Okay. All right, so let's read that one. Ligshik nad elaas.
Ligshik nad elaas.
Agus haring she. Nahedi lapa. Harakyan. Okay. Hivrakuig. Vi Geall beg damanta egen, eg bula achlar eden, le kasser kruach. So, the darn little devil was striking his forehead with a steel hammer. Okay. Huh?
That isn't darn.
What?
Darn.
Okay. So, Geall is a devil. Geall is a little devil. Geall Damanta. And little devil. Egan is some. Okay? Egan is some.
It's a mistranslation.
Bula, striking. Okay? So Bula has a couple meanings, and here it means to strike. Okay? So Bula, striking. A Chlar Eden. Chlar Eden is forehead. Okay? That expression together. And Achlar Eden is his forehead. Le kasur is a hammer. So with a hammer. Kruach is steel. So with a steel hammer. Okay? So, vi Geall damanta. Egan. Eg bula a chlar Eden. Le kasur kruach. So, Ibrashe, vi score Geall eg sa prickery che in a gula. So 20 devils were sticking hot pokers into his stomach. Score is 20. It's you still have the term for 4 score, is 80, but in Irish you can use it for 1 score too. Okay. So score Geall is 20 devils. In Irish you say 20 devil. You don't say devils. 20 devil. Igsaw, sticking. Okay. Prickery are pokers. Prickera is a poker, prickery, pokers. Che is hot. In a gula, in his stomach. Okay? Okay? And then, so 20 devils were sticking, igsa, sticking, prickery che, hot pokers in a gula, in his stomach. Okay? So vi score Geall igsa, prickery che in a gula. Nivershach, vi ke Geall igsa spiki bioracha ischach in a huila. So 100 devils were sticking sharp spikes into his eyes, okay? Vi ked Geall, ked is 100, ked Geall, 100 devil. Igsa, sticking, spiki are spikes. Okay? Bioracha, the word bior is pin, so it's like a spikes like pins or sharp, okay? Sharp spikes. Ischach is into, ina is in his huila, so into in his eyes. That's the way you say into his eyes in Irish. Okay? So, vi ke Geall igsa spiki bioracha ischach in huila. Okay. And then, Ibrahoch, Nochshe Achianarish, agus Hosishe eg Lubernil go mi huavnach. So he uncovered his head again and began to twist uneasily. Nochshe, the word nocht is to uncover. So Nochshe he uncovered. Achian, his head. Arish is again. Agus Hosishe, he began. Eg Lubernil means twist. Okay. Go mi huavnach is uneasily. Suavnach is comfortably. Mi huavnach is uneasily, uncomfortably. Okay. The word mi stuck in front of a word a lot of times is the equivalent to un in English a lot of times. Okay.
Pronounce the last word slowly.
Huh?
Pronounce the last word slowly.
Mi huavnach. That's right.
What about the other one?
Lubernil. Okay. So noch she achian arish. Agus hosi she eg lubernil. Go mi huavnach. So Mi huavnach by itself is uneasy or uncomfortable. Go mi huavnach would be uncomfortably. So the go is the ly part of uncomfortably or uneasily. Okay. Okay, Ibrani. Hanig imachti nahicha rer irashin chivne. So the events of the previous night came back into his memory. Hanig is came. Imachti are events. Imachti. Okay, it comes from imach to go out, so you go out to do things, I guess. So imachti are events. Icha is night. Nahicha is of the night. Okay, icha means both night and of night. An icha is the night.